A problem. A capillary tube of radius 0.5 mm is dipped in water. How far will the water rise in the tube? If surface tension of water is 7 into 10 raised to minus 2 Newton per meter square. Density of water is given as 1 into 10 raised to 3 kg per meter cube. Analysis. This problem is related to the topic of surface tension. In particular, the problem deals with surface tension of a liquid in a capillary tube. The equation which connects surface tension with other parameters of the liquid and the capillary is T equal to R into H into D into G upon 2 cos theta. In this equation, capital T is the surface tension, R is the radius of capillary tube, H is the rise of liquid in capillary tube, also called level difference. D is the density of liquid. G is the acceleration due to gravity. Theta is the angle of contact, which is the angle made by tangent to the curved part of liquid surface at the point of contact with the wall of a container. In this equation, there are in all 5 parameters. Therefore, if values of any 4 parameters are given, the value of the 5th parameter can be found out by solving the equation. In this problem, the values of R and capital T are given. The liquid is water and therefore we can assume the density of water D equal to 1000 kg per meter cube. Similarly, we know that the angle of contact of water, namely theta, is equal to 0. Substituting these values in the equation, we can get the value of H, that is the rise of the water in a capillary tube. A solution. A surface tension of a liquid in capillary tube is given by the equation T is equal to R into H into D into G upon 2 cos theta. We want to find out the rise of water H in a capillary tube. Hence, we will rewrite the equation as H equal to 2T cos theta upon R dG. The values given in the problem are radius is given by R equal to 0.5 millimeter and that is equal to 0.5 into 10 raised to minus 3 meter. Surface tension T is equal to 7 into 10 raised to minus 2 Newton per meter square. Assuming the density of water and the angle of contact as D equal to 1000 kg per meter cube and theta equal to 0 degree, and substituting the values of R, capital T, D and theta into the equation, we get H equal to 2T cos theta upon R into D into G, and that is equal to 2 into 7 into 10 raised to minus 2 multiplied by cos 0. The whole upon 0.5 into 10 raised to minus 3 into 1000 into 9.8. And therefore, simplification of this equation gives us H equal to 2.857 into 10 raised to minus 2 meter. That is, liquid will rise in a capillary tube by 2.857 into 10 raised to minus 2 meter, and that is 2.857 centimeter.